we'll guide you through how to create a workspace in Visual Studio Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once VS Code is running, look for the Explorer icon on the left sidebar and click it. This will reveal your file system. Now, you need to choose the folder you want to include in your workspace. You can do this by clicking on Open Folder at the top, then navigating to the directory you want and selecting it. Once the folder is open, go to the File menu at the top of the screen and click on Add Folder to Workspace. This allows you to add multiple folders, which is great for working on projects that are spread across different directories. After adding all the desired folders, go back to the File menu and select Save Workspace As. Choose a location for your workspace file and give it a memorable name. This file will have a .workspace extension and acts as a blueprint for your workspace setup. Saving the workspace makes it easy to reopen all your folders and configurations later with a single click. You can customize your workspace further by configuring settings specific to the workspace by clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left and selecting Workspace Settings. Here, you can adjust preferences like themes, extensions, or debugger settings that will only apply to this specific workspace. This customization is incredibly useful for keeping different project setups organized. And that's it. You've successfully created a VS Code workspace that consolidates your project files and settings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.